Okay, and here's with the radio popped out. To get the radio out, this outer shroud just pops up and back. Use your little pry tool to get it off. And then you'll take out 4 of these 10mm bolts that hold it in. And then you just basically slide this is the whole radio right here, right? It just slides forward and on out, and then you just disconnect all these things. And now we can see what's going on back down in here, which there's some space in there. And then this is our actual harness here. This is the speaker harness right here. This is the one that has all the speaker outputs. So this is what we're going to use, a T-harness that we're going to make here to do, and that's what I'll do next. All right, we're back again with the 2021 Sienna, tearing out more panels. So I went ahead and removed this panel off the center console here. A little bit interesting. So you just take this, there's this panel right here that just pops off that has the ODB2 connector on it. It has like 3 or 4 little Phillips screws. You just pop it down. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to pop the ODB2 port out so you can remove the plastic panel. And then there's a couple more plastic panels that just pop off. This one just pops off here, and then this guy just pops out. It's a little tricky because it's, secured quite a bit. But what this exposes is nice, is down here, there's a little hole underneath the center console here. So that looks like probably like, one of the computers, or probably the main computer for the car. But I'm thinking this is going to be a nice spot to put the amp. So what, I kind of just take this kicker key here and I do a little finagling, and it just so happens that it fits perfectly back in there. So I think that's where it's going to live. I think what I might do is use some double-sided Velcro or something to secure that guy down in there. Maybe I could use a tie strap of some kind, but that's a good spot for it because it's not terribly hard to access, and it's pretty central to all the locations here for wiring. So I can start actually running, I need to run a speaker wire from there over to my body connector here for my door. And then I need to run a power wire up underneath to my fuse block, which lives right here. And there's going to be a fuse tap that I'm going to use to provide the power. And then I can just secure the wires right underneath all that. And then up top here, let's go on up, where the actual radio is, we can take, we're gonna have to fish a couple wires up top, but I think what I'm gonna use is a speed wire to run 8 conductors up, which allows me to pull 4 conductors down to the amp and then 4 conductors back out for the dash speakers. So a piece of speed wire will work great for that, and then I can run the other dash speaker or door speaker over there, and that should be easy. All right, so up next I'll start doing some wiring.